enya 15 no enya 10 maku 50 ene gu kwaye ni mu a ensen kwaye no Erastus anapai menya brama na waboye mu.
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Galamsey, gather and sell. Ni Promas version, you see, it is here with us in Ghana. Now, you see, when there is a problem, the best thing to do is to sit down and to solve it. It is better than trying to make a point or make a statement with it. This is so difficult for Ghanaians to understand. And so, most of the time, they allow politicians to play on their intelligence. And I say, we as Ghanaians, we almost all the time let politicians get away with certain manner of cheap and easy propaganda. And this happened over and over again. Akufo-Addo placed his presidency on the line. Say, galamsey is something bia. Onu Akufo-Addo wants to ensure, say, if posterity will remember him for anything, it should be that under his watch, the battle against galamsey, illegal mining, should have been won. And illegal mining, the effect thereof, it is being felt by each and everybody. We all feel the effect of illegal mining, don't we? We do. When the water bodies are destroyed and then we don't have enough quality water coming through our taps, flowing through our taps that we can use for our daily activities and all. Don't we all suffer it? We all suffer it. And so ideally one would have thought, say, Abambi Baseo, as I say, when we fight against galamsey, we will not allow politicians to play tricks on us. But I don't know, say, ebia argument I can say, research be or why I am a say, I said Ghana for your low IQ. I said, nukre.
So ebede dey da ben because me say oba proper. Unia.
Yo me da say. Sa ai poster me ye no a. Ye wo me team no ye doso. Say I na say amanfo atwitwituo ejejina forest reserve say wa baba ho bia especially me venture or me kume. Intimate so you say yeah no smart. And the nipa or baby a omutimi a fly drones in India man gather information my monitor near Cosmo. Now bear say nane 4 days na minyasa pictures. If we adobe ura baby potino adobe ura and Kroman Quanta adobe ura barrier amangwase Bonteso adobe ura police station a bank senior high school forest no important hono manfo asoa excavators in 50 akogumua almost say forest no na men kan kwachi nipa wa searchri no me boni din a enye yi efri se menua de ntia ya me modin no nipa almost searchri a ebi me party chairman ebi ye abamfo mo tumi omo ankasa anko site ho ni din ni document bia so awo dwumadi a ye di no ho no purely illegal.
Because most of the time, the kind of things that we allow them to pass, it is so amazing. Like, there are certain common things that ideally, as a people, we should be able to read between the lines. We should be able to see, say, politician, you know, he does not want the best for Ghana. He wants the best for his party. And such politicians should not be allowed anywhere near the presidency or near government or near power. But unfortunately, you know, we were behaving as though galamsey started only under Akufo-Addo. After you see MPP for Naomi galamsey, you know. Now look at the news. 50 excavators. Excavators, oh. Baku, 50. Sent into a forest reserve in the Ashanti region. Regional minister see Oma ultimatum. 14 days ultimatum. Almost 14 days ultimatum. February. It has expired. Nothing is going on. Galamsey is persistent. We are all suffering from the implications, the repercussions of galamsey. 50 excavators. How did they come? How did those excavators come into this nation? How did the excavators that are being used, over 50 excavators, you know, like how did they get into our country? These are questions that are begging for answers. There are questions that must be answered. And since I see MPP for no more galamsey, now they say MPP for mu near by mu and the one mu near galamsey, no. Say MPP for mu chi omu yana to prison. And yes, sir. Say no crazy MPP for no more galamsey. Why not arrest all of them, put them in prison, and then galamsey will be over? Now, I failed here. We voted MPP out, and the galamsey has gotten worse. This shows the true colors of the people behind galamsey. And I can tell you, say, the people behind galamsey no MPP for. You see now, Erastus Asari said that his life is in danger, and that the people who are behind the galamsey no so also about the people will not believe him, because most of them, like people, even the people who own these excavators, no, they are in power, they are in authority. Semuti. But we said this thing. How will an NDC executive go into a galamsey pit and tell the people, say, Omuti said your Mahama, a winning banner, they should go and do the galamsey? And can you still believe, say, a MPP for no more galamsey? If an MPP person is doing galamsey, will an NDC person go into the pit to go and tell the people, say Omuti already also say Mahama is winning, they should go and do the galamsey? Which NDC person wants the business of an MPP person to progress? But all this is Ghanaians saw it and said no. Still, they will go and vote for NDC. Now the true criminals, the true galamsey kingpins, the galamsey lords, they are in now. And you see the kind of battle that is ongoing in the forest now. Now galamseyers have ammunitions. They have guns. Soldiers shoot and almost shoot back. That is what we sign up for. Voting for NDC. That's what we sign up for. Now, so all these excavators and guns, it will be brebe. Nick excavators be brebe. Now our system name and hamu doesn't it make you people sleepless? Because it gives me sleepless nights. Let's even put the galamsey aside. The rampancy of guns. And the way people have become so I don't care that they don't mind engaging in a shootout with the police, a shootout with the military. Don't we think, sir, a state of emergency should be declared at this point? Under Akufo-Addo, we did not see such a thing. No. We didn't see such a thing happen under Akufo-Addo. We did not. We didn't. By Onukran, we use all manner of excuses to vote against him and vote against his government. Now here we are. Back to Gary Sokins that we never left. and back to galamsey like we never left. Here we are. Who is to blame? Who do we blame? Your guess is as fine as mine. All the blame should be laid on the shoulders of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the first gentleman of this land. He is the one we have voted for to solve the problem. So if the problem is not being solved, of course, obviously, he's the one we should blame. So His Excellency John Mahama, please stop sleeping on the job. There is a task you must fulfill. There is a reason we are paying you with your salary. We are taking care of you and your family. Please, your people are doing galamsey. Your NDC party chairman and executives, and some influential people, some of whom sponsored your campaign, are the one doing the galamsey. Mr. President, if you want to be remembered, if you want to leave a legacy, then this is the best time to leave that legacy. Do what is best for Ghana, not what is best for your party. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice writer of Ghana and SEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one.